Hi guys, are you interested to make money completing surveys and playing video games? And are you interested to make money just all these people here? $5 PayPal money, $5 PayPal money, $10 Amazon gift card, and etc. And if you are interested, stick with me until the end of this video as I'm going to reveal to you everything that you need in order to make money just like these people. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you just came across to my channel, my name is Zadi Mustafa. In this particular channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of content, a lot of method on how to make money online. And if you want more video on how to earn money online, consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, as you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video. Alright, the website that I'm going to be sharing with you here is called Prizerebel. So there are a lot of opportunity on how to make money with Prizerebel. You can completing surveys, you can watching videos, you can playing video game, and etc. So just head over to task number 1, which is completing survey. So click on the survey button there, and then you're going to land to this website. So this is the list of survey that available currently. So I know it's not so many, but don't worry, because they're going to keep on updating a new survey over time, right? So let's say like this one survey here is going to take you like 22 minutes in order to complete, and you're going to earn 40 points, right? Not $40. You're going to earn point on this website, and then you're going to able to redeem all your points to gift card or PayPal money, which is I'm going to share with you just a second. All right, so this survey here is going to take you like 20 minutes, and you're going to earn 59 points. So let's have a look on this survey first. Click on the survey button, and then you're going to land over to this page. So what you have to do, just simply read all the surveys that they provide you, and just check the circle button here and check, and then you are good to go. And then click continue. You're going to land over to another site. Let me show you some example here. Just click continue, and then you're going to answer another surveys, and then you're going to put your first name and your last name, and then click continue, and then you're going to make money just like completing survey. Okay, so that is number 1, and there are a lot more opportunity on how to make money here. So go to offer wall, and as you can see here, there are several different options on how to make money. So you can click each and every tab on here, and then you can choose what type of job that resonate you the most in order to make money. All right, so this is how you're going to make money by playing video games, right? So this video game called Castle Clash. So this one, complete hero level 40 to earn points, and this one is complete an action to earn. So let's say take a look at this one. So this is the instruction. Number 1, continue playing Castle Clash. All right, so guys, you are actually literally is going to make money only by playing video game, right? So I think that is the most pleasure thing to do on how to get some supplemental income online, right? So number 2, complete hero level 4, and number 3, redeem your points. Bam! So that is how you're going to make money. It's really straightforward. You can literally make money by only playing video games. So let's take a look on this one. So this one, the instruction is install and open the apps. So number 2, redeem your points. So this is actually the same game. So what you have to do, just install and open the apps, the games, and then next step is playing video game, and then you can make money. Okay, so that's all, guys. I think you have to take this opportunity and try to make some extra cash with this site. It's pretty straightforward, and this is legit. So before I forget, I just want to show you the rewards. So this is the rewards page. There are several different rewards that you can make money with. This one is Amazon gift card. If you would like to have an Amazon gift card, you can choose this one, and this one is the most I think the most people prefer with, which is PayPal Cash, right? Make money with PayPal. So in order to get $5 PayPal Cash, you have to accumulate like 500 points, right? So you can, like the video game that I just show you, is you're going to earn like 124. So you could play for several times, and then you're going to accumulate 500, and then you are able to redeem your $5 PayPal money, right? So I think, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to end this video right here because I don't want to drag this video too long, so it's going to make you bored. But stick with me because I'm going to reveal to you another cool method on how to make way more money with Prizerebel on my second video, which is video part 2. Alright, so I'm going to end this video right here. So I'm going to link a card on top right corner of this video. You just simply click on the card, then the card is going to link up you to my next video. Right, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.